they ask for aid, recruiting for secret wars, and now they're pulling back and leaving, just like that.
Yo, Soul, thought it was your kid's birthday?
It is, bro. Now drink up. You gotta catch up.
Hey, so what is he doing?
He's entering a different parallel world. Think of him as a doctor, priest, and wizard all in one.
Yo, Jake, come on. You're late. Let's drink up.
Dude, what the fuck? We drank all night and you're already drinking again? Is this what you guys do when going camping?
Yo, dog, you don't want none of this. I just beat Mike Tyson.
You think this is one-on-one?
About us jumping tonight.
Back off, man.
I said back off!
Whoa, what the fuck?
Everybody back up. Back up. Security, hold it. Chairs. Watch the chairs.
Wild, man.
Unbelievable. 1 second we're dancing, next it's a war zone.